So you've got your printer, you've done some upgrades. Maybe you've done a whole bunch of hardware stuff. You've got steel nozzles, an all-metal hot end, dual extruder, a Bowden kit, MOSFETs, cable management, fan duct, heat bed, build surface, you name it. You've gone all out. The hardware's amazing, right? Well, there's got to be something more you can do. Sure. How about the firmware? Bet you didn't think of that, did you? Firmware. It's an integral part, and it controls everything, really. So what are your options when it comes to upgrading firmware? Well, the ones that I would suggest most are, if you want to go back to the source, you can go with original Marlin. I will link that in the description as well to their GITHUB. You can download that, compile it up, make sure you change the correct settings there where you need to, and upload that to your printer. Okay. Take another step up. You have TH3D's unified firmware, and I've discussed this in a previous video. Yes, Tim Hoogland has done an amazing job. I cannot thank him enough for such good firmware. And it's so easy. It's all in one package, and you only change a couple lines in configuration.h, and it's even laid out for you. It's easy to find. And you upload that. Good to go. But what else can we do? Well, I'm putting together MNUFR. I had to think about that, it's pretty bad. So, Midnight Ninja Unified Firmware Remix. And it's named that way because it's based on TH3D's unified firmware. Now I'm using his U1R19 as a base, and I'm pulling in cherry-picked commits from the bug fix branch from official Marlin, as well as other users that have changed and added various things over time. So I wouldn't say I'm necessarily a step above TH3D. I'm more an alternative, but similar to TH3D. And that's okay. I'm not looking to replace TH3D. Okay, Tim, don't. It's not a competition. Okay. But I'm giving people an extra option for another firmware that they might like to try that may or may not have more bug fixes than what TH3D has, and definitely more features and more safety built in than what official Marlin has. So you kind of get the best of both worlds into one package that is slightly upgraded. Now, I will try to keep this up to date as much as I can. If you guys would like to help support me in the time that it takes to do this kind of thing, head on over to my Patreon page. I'll link you in the description. That is where I will be posting all of my models and my updates, my firmware packages, everything that I do for 3D printing. I will try to put on my Patreon page, as that'll basically become my official homepage, since I don't have a website dedicated for this. I will also link in the description to TH3D Studio's main page for the unified firmware, as well as his GITHUB, where you can see and download all of his source code as well. So that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a real quick update. I am on vacation, so I did not bring any of my printers. I didn't even bring my drone. I just brought my laptop and my camera. So that's pretty much all I've got here. I will get to work on this a little bit. I'll be back home on the 10th, in which case I can go ahead and test out what I've already made. If you guys would like to test out, I will put a link in the description to where you can currently download the most recent version, and it will be hosted on my web server, and I will also post a link with an update video, which will probably be this video here, on my Patreon page, which will also have a link to the download as well. So, I will see you guys later. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We are almost to 800 subscribers. I know we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm aiming for it. This is going to be a lot of fun. This is a little bit different adventure for me, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what comes out of it. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.